To make collections in Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Products section. In this section, you will see an option to create collections, which are essentially groups of related products. Click on the Create Collection button and give your collection a name and description. The name should be clear and descriptive, and the description should provide more details about the products in the collection. Next, you need to set the conditions for which products will be included in the collection. You can do this by selecting specific product types, vendors, or tags. For example, you can create a collection for all products from a specific vendor or all products with a specific tag. After setting the conditions, you can add products to the collection manually or set it to automatically include products that meet the conditions. You can also add an image to the collection to make it more visually appealing. To organize your collections, you can create a hierarchy by making some collections sub-collections of others. This is useful if you have a large number of collections and want to make it easier for customers to find what they are looking for. Once you have created your collections, you can customize the way they are displayed on your website. You can choose the layout, add a header image, and customize the text and colors. Finally, make sure to test your collections to ensure they are working as expected. Check that the products are being included correctly and that the collections are easy to navigate. By following these steps, you can create effective collections in Shopify that make it easy for customers to find what they are looking for and increase sales. It is also important to keep your collections up to date and relevant. This means regularly reviewing the products in each collection and making sure they are still relevant and meet the conditions for the collection. By creating and maintaining effective collections, you can improve the user experience on your website and increase sales. This is a key part of running a successful e-commerce business and is something that all Shopify store owners should prioritize. In summary, making collections in Shopify is a simple process that involves creating a new collection, setting the conditions for which products will be included, and customizing the display. By following these steps and keeping your collections up to date, you can create a better user experience and increase sales.